Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So it's the week 4 of Arbitrum Odyssey, and then we are going to kick off the week 4 by joining 1inch Discord server. So I'm going to put the link to their server in the comment section for your convenience, as well as every other links that I used in this video. So you're going to tap on accept invite. So after joining their Discord server, we want to ensure that we are verified. So you're going to follow this process. So here you are going to indicate why you want to join the 1inch community on Discord. So I am choosing I want to be a part of the community. Then tap on I am a human to verify that you are not a robot. Okay, so the next button is alive now, so you can tap on it. Then lastly tap on agree and finish. You can further try to select your roles. Do that by tapping on select your roles. And then you see the explanation of each of the roles that are available in this server. So choose your roles based on your skill set and what you would like to be doing in their Discord server. So I am just going to go for 1inch power user and 1inch family. So you see those emojis right there. You're going to tap on any emoji based on the role that you want, and then if you check your profile, you will see that the role has been automatically given to you. So next we are going to 1inch website. We are going to complete a trade on their website. So I'm going to paste the link in my search box, and here is the website. So agree to their terms of service. Make sure that your wallet is on the Arbitrum network, and then choose the tokens that you want to swap. So I want to swap between Arbitrum and a stable coin, but first of all, connect your wallet if you are not connected. Check the checkbox at the top and then choose the chain that you want to be operating from. I'll be operating from Arbitrum, so I'm going to choose Arbitrum. Then scroll to the bottom and then choose the network that you would like to connect with. So I am connecting with MetaMask, so I will tap on MetaMask. Choose the tokens that you would like to swap and then enter the amount that you want to swap. So I want to swap between Arbitrum and USDCE. So I'm going to enter the amount now and then tap on swap. So this is how this works. When you tap on swap, the ETH that you want to swap into a stable coin or any other coin, it is first going to wrap that ETH into wrapped ETH. So you are going to see that when I tap on swap now. First, you need to sign the agreement and proceed. Tap on sign. So you can see it is first going to wrap your ETH into wrapped ETH. Then when you wrap it into wrapped ETH, then you can now swap your wrapped ETH into whatever tokens that you want to swap into. So you're going to tap on confirm to wrap it into wrapped ETH. Now the next thing you are going to do is you are going to give 1inch permission to swap your wrapped ETH. So you are going to tap on give permission to swap wrapped ETH. And then you are going to confirm that in your wallet. Now after approving 1inch to be able to swap your wrapped ETH, then you are going to tap on confirm swap. So you're going to scroll to the bottom for the sign button to be active. Now you can tap on sign. So the transaction, it has been sent to the blockchain, but it may take about 3 minutes for it to be fulfilled. So you can view your transaction. You can see the timer counting here. But when I did mine, it didn't even count up to that 3 minutes for the transaction to be completed. So the transaction has been completed, and now we are going to head to Galxe to claim our NFT. So I am going to paste the link to Galxe in my search bar. I apologize for the dog that is barking. I'm so sorry, I have no control over this. I know it is distracting. So the fusion swap task is completed, the swap that we just made on 1 inch, and then I'm going to check the other task, which is to have the member role in Discord, and that is what we did at the beginning of this tutorial. Then I'm going to tap on claim NFT. So I'm going to tap on confirm. The NFT has been successfully claimed. We have one task left for this week Arbitrum Odyssey, and that is to use Premia Blue. So the first thing we have to do on Premia Blue is to learn about Premia Blue. So we are going to take some courses, and after taking the courses, at the end of the 4 courses, we are going to have an examination. First of all, you are going to connect your wallet to Premia Blue. So every link I use in this tutorial, I'll put them in the comment section for your convenience. So you tap on that click to sign in order to complete your wallet connection. Then tap on sign in. So now there are 4 courses and 1 examination. At the end of each course 1 you take a test, course 2 you are going to take a test, 3 and 4 you are going to take a test, and then the 5th one is the examination. So in order not to waste our time, I'll just be tapping on each course and I'll pause this recorder. Then once I am done, at the bottom of the course, I'm going to show you what my response is as I take the quiz at the end of each course. So this is course 1 that says what is Arbitrum. So I'm going to pause my recorder, and when I am done reading through, I will scroll to the bottom and then you can see the answer I am choosing for this course. So the quiz for course 1, where does Premia Blue's options order book live? The answer is Arbitrum Nova. So I'll tap on next lesson. So this is course 2, introduction to Premia Blue. I'm going to pause, and when I'm done, I will also show you the answer. So the Premia Blue is the first non-custodial options, blah blah blah. That is the answer for course 2. I'll move on to course 3. What are DeFi options? So when I am done, I'll also resume the recorder. The answer to course 3 is calls and puts. So I'll tap on that, then I'll tap on next lesson to go to the course 4. Course 4 guides to DeFi options. When I am done reading through, I will also resume the recorder and then we'll answer it. Question to course 4 says, what is the strike price? And the answer is the price at which option can be exercised after expiration. So we are done with the 4 courses, and here is the examination. So if you want answers to the examination questions, then join our Telegram community. I'm going to post the answers there. You'll see the link in the comment section. So after taking the courses and passing the exams, you are going to get this NFT. Then tap on continue, and then it will take you to Galxe, and then we'll see what is next. So this is Premia Galxe task, and the first task is to complete the education and pass the exam. We have done that. And the second task is to trade any Arbitrum versus USDC E option on Premia Blue. So we'll go to app.premia.blue. The link is in the comment section. So try to read through, the education that I just did earlier. This is not my area of expertise. I am not a trader. I only have basic, surviving skills in trading. So you may not want to follow everything I have done here step by step. But then, because I have some USDC, I'm going to be choosing put order. So I will choose the Arbitrum versus USDC pairing. But to be able to see the pairing automatically, you are going to tap on option chain. Okay, and then choose select token pair, and then you can see the Arbitrum USDC pairing, and this is it here. Now I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my screen. I'll scroll past that graph. So if you remember that I choose option chain earlier, and because of that I don't have to be manually entering my strike price and also my expiration date for my order. So and then because of that you see available options here. So you will see different strike prices and expiration dates that you can choose from. However, the best prices are always listed first. That they are the first set of prices that you would see among the options here. So I am going to go for the first option. Now you are going to connect your wallet if it is not connected. Choose MetaMask. Then tap on Next. Tap on Connect. Tap on Click to sign and sign the message on your wallet. Sign the message in your wallet. Now it is USDCE that I want to sell, so I'm going to enter the amount of USDCE that I would like to sell. Because I am not good at stuffs like this, I am going to trade with very low amount so that even if I lose it at the end of the day, it won't pain me. So I'm just going to enter 1 USDC. So I'll be trading with just 1 USDCE. So even if I lose this one, it won't pain me at all. Then tap on Confirm Short Position. Approve 0.696 USDCE. So tap on Approve. Then after approval, then tap on Sell. Tap on Confirm. So the transaction is successful. If you want to see your transaction, you can simply go to the sidebar menu. Then tap on Portfolio. So this page will show your open orders as well as your total profit and loss on the order. So this order is going to close by November 3rd. I may not be able to claim my Galxe NFT for this task right now. Perhaps it will be after the order closes on November 3rd. Maybe that is when I'll be able to claim. But we can just verify that now. So I'll leave this page and I'll go to Galxe so that we can verify. So we are back on Galxe and I'm going to tap on the reload button for the second task. So it says I should try again later. So like I said earlier, perhaps it is when the order closes, maybe that is when it will be recognized as. So it says I should try again later. Like I said earlier, maybe it is when the order closes and that is when it will be recognized. So the order will be complete on November 3rd and it is still within the week of week 4 Arbitrum Odyssey. So I'll come back to Galxe on November 3rd to confirm and then claim my NFT. So whatever it is that I face then, maybe it is successful or not, I'll let us know in our Telegram community. So if you are not there, make sure that you join us. If you have found value, like this video and subscribe. If you have questions, drop me a comment in the comment section or on Telegram. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.